This real estate advantage property video is presented by Julia McMahon. Charming year-round lakefront cottage with 2+ bedrooms and an open floor plan designed for lakeside living. The spacious kitchen features an island and stunning lake views, ideal for entertaining. Offered fully furnished, this home includes a list of recent updates, newer awning, new beds and mattresses, hot water tank, garbage disposal, bathroom vanity and faucet, and clothes washer. Enjoy outdoor living with an easy-to-maintain aluminum dock and a sandy-bottom shoreline perfect for swimming. A rare 3-bay garage offers ample space for vehicles, boats, and all your summer and winter gear. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a full-time lake retreat, this property delivers comfort, convenience, and incredible views. For more information, review the details below.